Andiyan ka pala, so wait lang. Pag-usapan muna natin kung affordable ba ang car insurance at ano-ano ang mga benefits nito. Protect your car at bulsa with Vanguard Insurance Services. Number 1, budget friendly. So paano nga ba nasabi na budget friendly? Meron tayong 3 months installment at 0% interest. Uy, andiyan ka pala. Number 2, ano bang benefits ng car insurance? So, kino-cover na ito all types of accidents. Oops, wait lang. Bago umuwi, alam mo ba ang flexible payments? So, number 1, payable tayo through GCash or bank transfer or PDC. Or PDC, post-dated check. So, for more information, send us a message for free quotation.